Hello, and welcome to theMathNinja.com. Penny, say hi to everybody watching. The purpose of these instructional videos is the average person can only retain about 50% of any conversation. And that's if you were paying attention the whole time, and if you're average. Most of you guys, by the end of the school day, have already listened to all of your teachers, have to drive home, eat, everything else. By the time you get home, you've already forgotten probably more than 50%. And in every one of the problems that we have to do, there's strategies that you should have already mastered, or that you are learning and one day will master. For example, the algebra problems that we were doing. There was like 5 things you should remember how to do. You have to remember to draw your dotted line, figure out what they were doing to the problem, so that you can undo the problem by doing what they were doing backwards, or the opposite of what they were doing. Remember to do it to both sides, and then finally taking your answer, plugging it back in to see if you got the right answer. When you first learn the concept, you might not remember all 5 of those steps. But you start catching on the more and more that you do the problems. The purpose of these videos is to remind you of all of those steps of all the problems that we're doing. This first video is for a review of our homework today, which is page 226, number 6 through 10. Trying to find out whether it's equivalent or not equivalent. You have to find out if one side equals the other side. Number 6, $12 for 3 paper books and $28 for 7. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. Those 4 equal 4. Yes, so I will check that one off as yes, because number 6, yes, is equivalent. For number 7, 16 points in 4 games and 48 points in 8 games. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Is that equivalent? It's not equivalent, because 4 does not equal 6. Number 8, 96 divided by 3 and 160 divided by 5. 96 divided by 3 is 36, or 32, and 160 divided by 5 is 32. Does 32 equals 32? Yes, so I will check that one off. Number 9 is where it gets a little tricky, because you're not used to dividing a small number and a big number. It's usually the other way around. You're doing 3 divided by 6 where you're used to doing 6 divided by 3, so it's like a trick question. You do get a decimal. 3 divided by 6 is 0.5, or 50 cents a bagel. $9 for 24 bagels is 9 divided by 24, which is 0.375 cents per bagel. And in America, we only have 2 digits to our currency, so that 0.375 actually rounds to 0.38. 38 cents versus 50 cents. Are those equivalent? Well, no, because 0.50 and 0.375 or 0.38 are not the same number. So I will write not. And for number 10, 288 miles on 12 gallons or 240 miles on 10 gallons. 288 divided by 12 is 24, and 240 divided by 10 is 24. Does 24 equal 24? Yes, it does. So here are the answers for anybody who looked today for your website, theMathNinja.com. And I'm going to see how it goes with this way, where I don't have somebody actually doing the videotape for me, so you actually got to watch me walk to the camera. So I will try to come up with a better way around that.